Hello students, you are welcome in sequence and series part 7. We have to do question number 8 today. In this question the statement is find sum of n terms of a GP. Sum of first n terms. So only then we can find sum of, it should be first n terms of the GP. And the GP is under root 7, under root 21, under root 3 into root 7 and so on. So this is a GP. In this you will first identify A, that is first term. So A, it is root 7 first term. Then R, which is called common ratio. It is a second term upon first term under root 21 upon under root 7. Under root 21 can be written as 7 into 3 root, and after simplification it will be under root 3. So we can observe that R is under root 3, which is greater than 1. And you remember the formula for sum of n terms when R is greater than 1. So the formula is A into R raised to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Mind it, after substitution of the formula, if you are getting denominator as negative, it means the formula used is wrong. Denominator should be positive. So then the formula will be correct. So R minus 1 when R is greater than 1. So you put values of A, R. We want sum of n terms, so it should be n only. And A is root 7, R is root 3. You can calculate. So denominator is root 3 minus 1. So we have to rationalize to write in the standard form. And write the answer what we are getting, root 7 into 3 raised to n by 2 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 upon 2. This is sum of n terms. I hope it is clear. Then it is 7th question of this exercise. Find the sum of 20 terms of a GP. First 20 terms. It should be first 20 terms. Only then we can apply the formula. So the GP is 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015 and so on. You identify what is A, it is 0.15. R, common ratio, second term upon first term, it will be 1 upon 10. Now you observe R 1 upon 10, it is less than 1. Because it is less than 1, so that's why the formula used will be now A Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R raised to the power n upon 1 minus R. Value of n, it is 20 because we are given find the sum of 20 first 20 terms. A 0.15, R we have calculated 1 upon 10. So you put these values in this formula. So S20 will be 0.15 and you can calculate. After calculation, you see you have to multiply. So it will be 0.15 into 10 upon 9 and we can cancel. So it is 0.5 upon 3 into 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to the power 20. I hope this question is clear. You can leave the calculations here. There is no need of further calculations. So you can leave the answer here only. I hope it is clear. Then it is 11th question. Evaluate summation of, this is a sign summation of 2 plus 3 raised to the power k, where k varies from 1 to 11. It means this symbol stands for sum of all terms where k varies from 1 to 11. So this is, let this is equal to S11. It means by changing value of k, we will first replace k by 1. So this is first term. Summation means we have to add all these terms, put k is equal to 2 and so on up to k is equal to 11. So this is the meaning of summation of this term where k varies from 1 to 11. So sum of 11 terms. Now you have to write separately the terms, similar terms, 2 plus 2, 11 times. Write down the remaining term 3 raised to the power 1 plus 3 raised to the power 2 up to 3 raised to the power 11. Now we can find sum of these terms because 2 plus 2 repeated addition, so 2 into 11. Now this is a GP having first term 3 and common ratio R is 3. Second term upon first term, common ratio R is greater than 1. So that's why we will use the formula Sn is equal to A into R raised to the power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So this formula will be used here because R is greater than 1. You put values of A and R here. A is equal to 3 and R is equal to 3. So this is 3 into 3 raised to the power 11 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 after putting in this formula, and you need to simplify only. It is 3 upon 2 into 3 raised to the power 11. There is no need to simplify 3 raised to the power 11. You can leave the answer here. So this is sum of 11 terms or summation of this. I hope it is clear. Now question number 12. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 39 upon 10 and their product is 1. Find common ratio and the terms. Now because we are given the product, when we are given product, so we have to assume 3 terms in a different way such that the R can be cancelled. So let the first 3 terms of a GP are A upon R, A and AR. Now don't assume the terms as A, AR, AR square, because after multiplying R will not be cancelled, so simplification will be quite difficult. So we have assumed the terms A upon R into A into AR. Now find the sum, that is E1 equal to 339 upon 10. It is first equation. Product, their product is equal to 1. When you find the product, so R will be cancelled, so A cube is equal to 1, so value of A will be 1. Putting A1 in the first equation, it will be 1 upon R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 upon 10. Then you can, yes, now you take LCM and cross multiply. So you will get a quadratic equation in R. The quadratic will be 10R square minus 29R plus 10. Using the splitting of middle term method, you have to factorize it. 2 factors, that will be minus 25 and minus 4. After simplification, 2R minus 5 and 5R minus 2. Now value of R will be 5 upon 2 and 2 upon 5. And it means taking A is equal to 1 and R is equal to 2 upon 5, this value. Then we have to calculate 3 terms using A upon R, A and AR. Put values here. These are the 3 terms. When you take A is equal to 1 and R is equal to 5 upon 2, we will get the second answer. So these are 2 different answers by taking 2 different values of R, and A is 1, that is fixed. I hope it is clear. So these are 2 answers. Now question number 15. A is 729, A7 is 64, this is given. Find S7. So first term is 729, seventh term is 64. Find sum of first 7 terms. Let first term is A and common ratio is R. And using this formula, AN is equal to A into R raised to the power n minus 1. So A7, it can be calculated like this, A into R raised to the power 6. But A7 is given 64 and A is given 729. So R raised to the power 6 will be 64 upon 729. Now this is 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power 6. After comparing, you will find R is equal to 2 upon 3. Now you will find 2 upon 3, this value is less than 1. So therefore the formula used for the sum of first n terms will be A into 1 minus R raised to the power n upon 1 minus R. And you put the values of A and n is 7. A it is given, R we have calculated, so you put the values here and simplify. It will come out to be 2059 after simplification. I hope it is clear. So that's all for today. Thank you.